Hi everyone! Welcome back to Sewing with Carolina. Today, I'll show you step by step how to draft a beginner-friendly wide leg pattern. I'll be using my measurements, but you can follow along with yours. Now let's begin with front pattern. My length measurement is 104 centimeters. Starting at the edge of the pattern paper, measure down 104 centimeters and mark this point. Repeat the same measurement on the other side and mark. Connect the marks at the bottom by drawing a straight line extending it across the paper. Take your hip measurement and divide it by 4. My hip measurement is 90 centimeters, so divided by 4, that is 22.5 centimeters. On the pattern paper, measure 22.5 centimeters from the top and mark this point. Repeat the same measurement at the bottom and mark. Then, connect the top and bottom lines to create a rectangle. My crotch depth measurement is 28 centimeters. Starting from the top edge of the pattern paper, measure down 28 centimeters. Then add 4 more centimeters and mark this point. Now measure the same distance on the other side. Make a mark. Connect the marks and draw a straight line across the paper. This will be our crotch level. Take your hip measurement and divide it by 20. In my case, 90 centimeters divided by 20 equals 4.5 centimeters. From the extended crotch level line, measure 4.5 centimeters and mark it. This extra 4.5 centimeters ensures the crotch curve has enough room. The bottom of the pants length extended line, measure again 4.5 centimeters and make a mark. Now connect the marks from the crotch point all the way down to the bottom of the pants length. On the pattern paper, place the ruler at the top edge and measure your hip height. Mine is 20 centimeters. Mark this point and draw a line straight across. Now, take a French curve ruler. Connect the marks from the hip height line down to the crotch line. Make the curve gentle and smooth, just a slight curve. Next, get your waist measurement. Divide this number by 4. Then add 4 more centimeters. For me, this comes to 21.8 centimeters. On your pattern paper, start at the right top edge and measure across to the left. Mark this point. Use a hip curve ruler to draw a gentle, slightly curved line connecting the marks. Start at the crotch line and place your tape measure at the crotch point. Fold this measurement in half to find the center line and mark it. Measure the same distance up to the top edge of the paper and mark it. Measure down to the bottom of the pants length and mark this point as well. Finally, draw a straight line from the top edge down to the bottom, passing through the marks. Let's create the pleats. Start at the center line, measure 2 centimeters to the left and make a mark. Next, measure 4 centimeters and mark it. Then measure another 2 centimeters and mark that point as well. Repeat the same steps at the hip level. Finally, connect all the marks to form the pleats. Start at the top edge of your pattern paper, measure 4 centimeters down and make a mark. Now measure the same 4 centimeters on the opposite side and make a mark. Use a ruler to connect the two marks with a straight line. Cut the pattern slowly and carefully along the lines. For the back pattern, prepare another pattern paper. Lay the front pattern flat on top of it, leaving at least 3 centimeters allowance on this side of the paper. Pin the front pattern in place to prevent it from moving. From the left side, extend the crotch level line across the back pattern paper. From this line, measure 4.5 centimeters and mark. Measure another 4.5 centimeters along the bottom line and mark. Connect these two marks together. This will be the leg line for the back pattern. At the top edge of the right side, measure 3 centimeters and mark. From that mark, measure another 3 centimeters upward and mark. On the left top corner, measure 3 centimeters and mark. Along the hip level line, measure 3 centimeters and mark. On the crotch level line, measure another 3 centimeters and mark. Finally, on the bottom line, measure 3 centimeters and mark. Mark the hip level line on the back pattern. Connect this point to this point. Along the curve of the crotch line, measure 2 centimeters and mark. Using a French curve ruler, connect all the marks and create a smooth, slight curve. Transfer the pleat marks to create darts on the back pattern paper. Mark the bottom center line on the back pattern. Mark the hip level line on the back pattern. Then remove the front pattern. After removing the front pattern, draw the hip line and the center line on the back pattern.